Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and say hi to everyone. How are you doing? Please share with me what you're working on this week in your crochet. I'm actually not at home. I'm at my parents' house and we are filming. Finally. It's been so long since my dad and I filmed a video tutorial, and I cannot wait to bring you nice new tutorials and fresh content on YARNutopia. So I have a list here of all the things I want to talk to you about because actually it is July and there are so many fun events happening this month, so I don't want to miss anything. So mark your calendars. First off, this past weekend, the last weekend in June, it was a baby toy. Nasser is playing with all kinds of toys around here. Anyway, this last weekend we had the Back to the Basics event. Thank you all so much for joining in on that fun event. When I think of basic crochet stitches, I think of the single crochet, the double crochet, half double crochet, even like just chaining. So we did projects all weekend that just took up basic stitches, basic crochet stitches, and that was so much fun, and we had a good time, so I enjoyed that. I love the monthly events. I will be announcing soon when the July event is going to be happening and what we're going to be doing for that, but I still have to discuss with my team, my parents, what the monthly plan is for July for our event. But this last weekend we did the Back to the Basics event, and I released a granny square, the Simply Bright granny square. I released that written pattern and I was gonna make a video tutorial for it. However, Nasser has been teething quite horribly. He's been having fevers and not feeling so great. So we've been up a lot in the night and trying to sleep in the day, and we just have not been able to get a lot of work done. So I am here at my parents' house, and Grammy is watching Nasser while my dad and I can film. So we are filming the Simply Bright Granny Square, and that is coming to you very soon. It's such a cute little project just to make a bunch of those squares and make like a big blanket or something fabulous with it. So I can't wait to send that out to you guys pretty soon on YouTube. But the written pattern is already on YARNutopia.com, so you can check that out. But while I'm here filming with my dad here, I have this fancy shirt that I'm going to be releasing very soon, and it's using the shell stitch. It's so pretty, and I'm using Brava yarn by We Crochet. So if you go to crochet.com and search Brava, you'll see all the colors that are available. It's just a nice acrylic yarn, and it's on the economical side of the price point, and it's just really fun to work with. So I can't wait to get you a new fashion piece sent out to you soon as well. I'm working on that today. Actually, I just got to the sleeves, so I'm not going to show you yet, but sneak peeks will be coming in the next week or so, so I'm excited about that. And as for events, I will be announcing the July event soon, but Free Pattern Friday is going to be July 24th. So make sure you join in on my newsletter, sign up for my newsletter, and on July 24th, I'll be sending out the email blast where you can get the free PDF download of one of my crochet patterns for 24 hours only. So once I send out that email, it's 24 hours until you won't be able to download that pattern again. So you have 24 hours to do so and download the free crochet pattern that I choose, which I haven't chosen yet, but I chose the date, which is July 24th. So make sure to mark your calendars and join my newsletter. And exciting thing, next week, starting Monday, I have a mega bundle to share with you. I'm so excited about this one. This is a summer crochet bundle. It's coming out on Monday, so nobody's talking about it yet. You guys get to hear it here first. So get your, get excited for this one. This is, you can snatch it up starting Monday, and it's only a week long. It's a mega crochet bundle. Oh my gosh. I'm just reading from here, so I don't know, it's exciting. And the last thing is this month, my friend Nikki over at Nikki's Homemade Crafts is doing a Splash into Summer event where she features free crochet patterns, and one of my patterns is going to be included in that. So I'm really excited about that. Make sure you check out Nikki's Homemade Crafts. At the end of this month, she will be doing kind of like a blog hop, which is really fun, and she gets all these fabulous designers involved, and you'll be able to download some fun patterns that are summery, very summery patterns. So I'm really excited to be part of that as well. So there's a lot going on in July. I just cannot believe it's already July. I can't believe Nasser is 1 year old. I'm still like reeling from that. I'm like, oh my gosh, how exciting. So he's so wild and he's so fun, but definitely keeps me busy. But he's doing so much better. For the past like 3-4 days, he was having a fever and he was just teething, but now he's doing a lot better. So I am going to get back into the studio and get this shirt figured out. I have this just one sleeve to film and then it's done. And tomorrow Nasser and I are gonna head home. So it was great to see you all, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week and a safe 4th of July weekend. And until next week, happy hooking!